PS5 gets high-speed M.2 SSD storage support in new beta system software. Oh, compatible drives need to meet stringent physical and technical guidelines for probably heat dissipation and performance to launch games and so on. Seagate says its FireCuda 530 M.2 drive will work with the PS5. So you're going to get a whole bunch of manufacturers now making PlayStation 5 specific M.2s that so you don't, as a customer, don't have to wonder if yours is going to work or not. New PlayStation 5 system software rolling out in beta today unlocks the long-promised ability to expand the system's 667 gigs of usable internal storage using M.2 SSDs that fit certain technical and physical requirements listed on the new PlayStation support page. And new system software supports 22mm wide M.2 drives using the PCIe Gen 4 standard, single or double-sided drives with storage sizes ranging from 250 gigabytes to 4 terabytes should work with the console. The drives are going to have a sequential read speed of at least 5,500 megabytes per second. But Sony warns that even then, not all games are necessarily playable with the exact same performance provided by the PS5 console's internal ultra-high-speed SSD. Interesting. It's like, don't get carried away. We still got better stuff inside.
Yeah, just a warning to third parties.
Well, I think what the third parties need to do is to start certifying the stuff that can meet the stringent criteria for performance across all games, and then the customer doesn't have to try to figure it out on their own. And once they go install it, they don't have to be moving games from one drive to the other in order to play them. That's a bit of a nightmare. I'll tell you what, 4 terabyte PlayStation incoming, that's kind of cool. It's a lot of games, Well.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You like games.
I do.
You played Ratchet. You were playing Ratchet and Clank.
It's a great game. Fun.
Yeah. Actually, at my place, the boys started playing a little bit. I didn't get a chance to pick up the controller yet, but it's a lot.
Which one? Ratchet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Remember they told you to bring it, remember?
Oh, right.
I mean, I don't know how far they got into it yet, but it's like a cool looking game.
Yeah. It's like a Pixar movie.
Yeah. It's a cool looking game.
Very well done. Good job.